Okay, class. Bring me Bible verse. Kinsa may muna? Asa kalimot ko. Alis ko sa James B, katong bullpen dito be. Ang makatubag sa makatag og Bible verse tagaan og bullpen. Toto. Kaya bring nang kon. Toto bikas. Karon manghatag og bullpen pero taga-isa ko og Bible verse. Bring me Bible verse. O kinsay muna. Tagaan ako isa ka bullpen. Be, sige. Palakpakan be. Okay, give me Bible verse.
Proverbs 2:9. Then you will understand what is right and just and fair, for wisdom will enter your heart.
Sa
John 4:42.
Sikos kitiyo.
John 4:42.
Sige.
We know that this man Jesus is really the savior of the world. Yeah.
Ora.
Hebrews 13:6. The Lord is my helper, I will not be afraid.
Sige, pagpakan be. Okay, very good. Kinsa pa man? Hana Faye. Okay, give me Bible verse.
Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your hearts and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. For I know I have the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and with a future.
Okay, pagpakan be. Ballpen.